right there. Alright guys, what is up there everybody, and welcome back to the channel. As you guys can read this title, I have finally received my A-spec front and rear lip for my Jade RSX Type S. Oh my goodness guys, I am so hyped right now. So the reason why it took over 3.5 months is that my very first A-spec front and rear lip actually went missing, so the company decided to send me another one. So ladies and gentlemen, it is finally here. Oh my god, I'm so excited to show this to you guys. Oh my goodness guys, I have already opened the box. So as you guys can see, that's the rear one right there, and below that, that's the front one. Oh my goodness, let's take this out. Alright, so here is the front one. Oh my goodness, and yes, it is made out of fiberglass. So yeah, it's not made out of plastic like the OEM ones, but it is very hard to find an OEM one nowadays. So I mean, fiberglass will do the job, be honest. So yeah, other than that, let's do the fitment test real quick here. Alright, fitment test. This is where it gets kind of scared, but I did this yesterday already. Dude, I am freaking out right now. Guys, just take a look at this. Oh my goodness, I am so freaking hyped right now. Oh my god. Dude, are you serious right now? That looks so freaking mean. Dude, no freaking way. No freaking way right now. I mean, guys, just take a look at this. Oh my goodness. No way, it fit right on there. Oh my god. Yeah, I know there might be a little bit of gap there, but I mean, this is just a fitment test. It just went right on. Oh my god, that is crazy. Oh. Yep, just like that, I think. Alright, and you guys are probably wondering why is my hood popped open. Is that I just did my oil change and I haven't shut my hood yet. So because I was so excited to fit these on real quick. So but yeah, other than that, now time to put the rear ons. But before I put the rear ones, also these little guard things came for the front A-spec lip. So I'm pretty sure these ones just covers up the fog lamp here and cut it out. But then I got my, some of you guys know that I actually got my fog lamp. And some of you guys know that I got my fog lamp last year, but I never have installed it yet. So this is perfect time to install it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And I also got this tow hook last summer when I went down to California from Tanjinamono. If you guys can read it there, yeah, from them. So yeah, I think I'm gonna slap that tow hook like somewhere right around there. Oh my god, that would look so nice. Oh. Alright guys, so enough for the front, time to put the rears on and see how it goes. Oh man, I know it's kind of dark at night right now, but I hope you guys can see this. So that's not gonna work out. So the reason why I can't do a fitment test for the rear A-spec kit is that that little splash guard is blocking the way. So I can't really do a fitment test on this, but once I take that off, I think it'll fit perfectly. But anyways, this is the rear A-spec kit right here. And then there are both, like I mentioned in the beginning part of the video, they are both made out of fiberglass. So just letting you guys know that it's not made out of plastic, it is made out of fiberglass. And also they come with these little latch part for the rear A-spec lip. It's not bad. Nice, nice, nice. Well done. But anyways guys, that'll do for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, if you guys do want the A-spec front and rear lip, I'll leave the website and a link in the description below, so make sure you guys go check that out. So yeah, other than that, that'll do for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My quick update on my A-spec front and rear lip that actually went missing, but then it, you know, they sent me another one, so that's the reason why it took such a long time to get here. But it is finally here guys. So the next step is take it to a body shop and get it paint matched. But then, and if you guys don't know, last winter during the snow season, I actually crashed my RSX and messed up my front bumper. It was right along this side here. But as you guys know, I got it fixed. And then the body shop that I took it to, they just did an absolutely horrible job. So this time I hope I'm taking it to a good body shop. And I'm pretty sure I messed up my frame rail a little bit. So I want to get that a little bit pulled out and get it paint matched, because right now the front bumper doesn't match the color that I have on the body right now. So yeah, so get that paint match. For the rear bumper, I want to get that repainted also, because it's starting getting to fade away a little bit. So I want to get my rear bumper painted and paint matched with my new A-spec rear lip for the rear bumper. So yeah, I hope everything will goes well. Pray for me, guys, just please pray for me. Other than that, that'll do for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because there's more RSX content coming to the channel. So other than that, if you guys are interested in buying A-spec front and rear lip, the link in the description below again. So other than that, if you're subscribed to my channel, you already know what's coming. Peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.
These nuts.